Hello everyone, Pedro with you, and in this video I'm going to show you how to delete or deactivate XChat account. So actually it is very quick and easy. I'll show you how to do that, but you need to watch this video till the end so you won't miss any important steps. So first of all, we need to open the XChat, and here in the top left corner we will see our profile picture. You need to click on it, and now click on your profile once again. So here we have some options for our profile. Now, if you want to deactivate your XChat account, you will need to click the Deactivate Account button. It will open the browser, you will need to log into your X account, and then you will see this window. So basically, for now, there is no such option to deactivate only XChat account. That's why, because your XChat account is connected to your main X account, it means deactivating XChat account means deactivating X application account also. So by clicking on deactivate button right here, you will need to type in your password and click deactivate. It will deactivate your XChat account, but it also will deactivate your X application account. You can restore your account within 30 days. And that is it. That is how you can delete or deactivate XChat account. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.